Hey guys, I'm Sara Bendrick, licensed landscape contractor, and today I want to walk you around one of our projects. I'm really excited with how this one turned out in general. It started with completely nothing in this yard. We added the plants, we added the hardscape, and so many other elements. For this project in particular, one of the important things was the landscape lighting. We used FX Luminaire on this project in particular for our uplights as well as our path lights, and I can't wait to walk you around and show you how it really helps extend the life of this yard into the night. Let's talk about the PL light from FX Luminaire. Now this is a really versatile light to use next to a path. It's called a path light for a good reason, but you can use it in a lot of different settings. In this one in particular, we have it right next to our path. We have an 18-inch riser, we have a 6-inch shade cap, and this illuminates light out this way. Now, how far the light casts depends on how high the riser is. So for example, a 12-inch riser will give you about a 4-foot cast for the light, so you can design your plan accordingly. In terms of finishes for this light in particular, this has an anodized and powder coated finish, which is a 2-layer marine grade finish. This is in the bronze color, but there are 9 other colors that you can use for this light in particular. I love the bronze color. I think it's one of the most versatile and I use it most often. All right, let's check out the next light. Next, let's talk about spacing between path lights. In a residential setting, you want to space your path lights between 8 to 12 feet between them. Now, the other thing to consider, again, is the light cast that you're going to get, and that will be dictated by the height of the riser. You can get risers that are 8 inches up to 36 inches, but typically I like between 12 and 24 inches for the riser, and then you can predict your light cast from there. If you're in a commercial setting, you actually want to increase the lights that you have so you have more of a 5 to 6 foot spacing. All right, off to the next light. This side yard is a perfect example of using the path lights to brighten up a dark area for safety as well as functionality. And the nice thing about the PL lights is there's also a dimmable option if you pair it with the Luxor transformer or a dimmable switch. You can adjust in increments of 1% between 0 and 100. All right, let's check out the next light. FX Luminaire's NP uplight is one of the most widely used fixtures that they have because it's so customizable. This has a die-cast aluminum shell on the outside, and then you can adjust for different light outputs. You can use a 3 LED, a 6 LED, or 9 LED if you're really going for something taller. You also can get a dimmable fixture or color changing if you pair it with the Luxor transformer. All right, next light. This NP uplight is focused on this medium-sized shrub. It looks so beautiful at night. So you have 2 options when it comes to the shroud with this fixture in particular. You have the 45-degree and the 60-degree shroud option. You also have some different finishes you can choose from desert granite to silver, there's black, whatever you need to fit the environment. We use the bronze metallic version in this yard here. It really just extends the whole usage of this space and makes it feel magical.
Thank you for choosing FX Luminaire. For more information, go to fxl.com.